I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending.
We often forget that we are nature. Nature is not something separate from us. So when we say that we have lost our connection to nature, we have lost our connection to ourselves.
Keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid.
And the more time you spend with nature, the deeper your understanding of life will be.
Completely betrayed. There's no
Every now and again, we must take a good look at something that made of human hands. A mountain, a tree, a star, or just the turn of a stream. There will come to you a great wisdom, patience and solace, and above all else, the assurance that you are not alone in the world. Find relief where the pines flourish and the jay still screams.
Keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go,
nature has been for me, for as long as I remember, a source of inspiration, adventure and delight. A home, a teacher, a companion.
My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
Nature, you are the beginning, the ultimate source of wonder. And what mystical prowess you possess, I often wonder. You are the spectrum from which all is measured. You are a vast and unconquerable mass to be treasured. Man falls short of your enhancing glory, failing miserably in enhancing your flawless beauty. What you will become remains an untold story. As you sprout new life in an endless cycle, no hurry. You simply ask that we obey rules, rich in rewards, yet we remain fools. We often forget your eternal knowledge. Living up to your standards, we know that the courage. When betrayed, you unleash your unimaginable wrath, leaving tragedy, despair, and sorrow in your path. We try to pick up the pieces and try to move on, hoping for progress to get through for a new dawn. Your emotions, the elements at play, brilliant when you're happy, chaotic when you're in dismay. From the smiling sun to the showering rains, to the freezing snow and the earthquakes that rock the plains. We watch in awe as you continue to regenerate. Despite the many ills we continue to create, to brilliant days, a toast, the sky shall be blue.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard.